Hi everyone, this is Priyaka working as Assistant Professor in SS Project Technology. Today we are just going to see a study on the subject DPCO, the topic Fundamentals of Digital Computers. These are my second year students, Bose, Ranjit, Shankar, Dinesh and Ebenezer. Okay students, let's start. First, Bose, let's start. Tell about them.
Empathy. When you press a key in the keyboard, how does the computer actually works? People like students, teachers, and engineers often get confused about how the parts inside the computer works together. They want a simple explanation. What are their problems? Students often memorize theory without really understanding how each part of computer. There is no visual representation to show how data flows between the units. Teachers also find it hard to explain the process clearly using only textbook diagrams. Simple and clear explain how each function unit works. A step-by-step flow show how input becomes out.
It's Ranjit, just tell about the event.
Between people near and this little way to understand how output, memory ALU, output works together inside a computer without learning the computer architecture. They are boring and
Shankar, just tell about the
idea. They have a lot of different ideas. Show a block diagram with arrows. Like other example, like take a small example like solving 2 plus 3. Compare the computer with the human body. Like brain will be considered as an memory. Mouth and ears will be considered as an input. Control unit is considered as an drive. Hand will be considered as an output. Another real-time example is ATM machine. ATM machine is card and pin is considered as an input. Memory is considered as account details, and control unit is where you output is cash or receipt will be shown.
Prototype. They think the model. Now we build a simple model. Function unit of digital computer. Input unit. Help the user to enter data and instruction. Example, keyboard, mouse, scanner, microphone. Memory unit. Store data and instruction. And types. Primary memory, fast, temporary, RAM, secondary memory, permanent, hard disk. Arithmetic and logical unit ALU. Perform all mathematical calculations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, etc. Perform logical operations such as comparison and decision making. Control unit acts like the brain of the computer, control and coordinate all the other units. Decide the order in which tasks perform. Output unit show the final result to the user. Example, monitor, printer, speaker. Example, how the process 2 plus 3. The user type 2 plus 3 using the keyboard input unit. The data goes to the memory unit. The control unit sends it to the arithmetic logic unit for calculation. The ALU perform addition and send the result on. The control unit send the result to the output unit. The monitor display the final result 5. Yes, after the model, we test it with the students and feedback. Students form the diagram and example variable. They could easily trace the part of the data from input to output. Teachers said that the human body compass helpful students remember the topics written. Implement animation around the diagram to show data movements. Include more real life example like of a computer process and Google search or a music life. System should keep the take the approach mode, learning more including ear to understand. Confusion. Through design thinking, we successfully design a single and clear way to understand the function unit of design computer. Students now find it easy to explain how its input, memory, ALU, control and output units works together to process data. This case study provides that even complex topics can become simple when we use creative thinking, visual model and real life example. In short, this method
improves learning, increase index, and helps everyone they see how a computer actually works inside. Thank you.
Okay, students, hope you all have understood about the functional units of a digital computer. Okay, we'll see you in the next class. Thank you. Bye,